6 common mistakes people make when trying to lose weight. Losing weight is hard, and often it is full of hit and misses. If you have tried many times and failed, do not feel so bad. Chances are you are doing a few things wrong. In this video, we will share some of the likely mistakes some people make when losing weight. Watch all and pay attention, because these might be the necessary corrections you have been waiting for. Weight loss can be incredibly challenging because there are so many myths and misinformation that can lead you in the wrong direction. You might think you are trying your best and are doing everything right, but you are following the bad advice. To help you make sure you are on the right track and know precisely which advice to avoid, here are 6 common mistakes people make when trying to lose weight. 1. Overly restricting calories. The best way to lose weight is to create a calorie deficit. That means making sure you burn more calories than you consume. But of course, the ideal way to achieve that is to balance out your diet and exercise regimen. The problem is, many people believe that overly restricting calories are a shortcut that will lead to quick weight loss. According to a study published by Perspectives on Psychological Science in 2017, that will be true for a short time. However, it will eventually lead your body into a starvation mode, where it tries to store as much fat as it can. Consequently, your diet plan backfires and causes you to gain more weight. 2. Eating too often. There is a general belief that you need to eat small, frequent meals if you want to lose weight. Doing so supposedly speeds up your metabolism and eventually enables you to burn more fat. Although that might technically be true, an article featured by Harvard Health Publishing points out that this style of dieting brings up several issues that can lead to weight gain. First, you end up eating even if you are not hungry, or when you do not need more food. As a result, you will overeat and consume too many calories. Second, the positive effects upon the type of foods you reach for during these small meals. Finally, if you end up snacking on junk throughout the day with the belief that you are kickstarting your metabolism, you should not be surprised that your diet is not working. 3. Overeating fat. Some low-carb diets like keto and Atkins recommend that a large portion of your daily calorie consumption be composed of fats. Although this might work very well if you follow the diets correctly, many end up overdoing it without realizing just how many calories they are consuming per day. Keep in mind that although there are health benefits to eating certain types of fat, they are also some of the most calorie-dense foods. So even if you are eating small meals, the fat content could quickly pile up. 4. Exercising too much. Exercising is essential when trying to lose weight. However, overdoing it can have detrimental effects. When you exercise more than your body can handle, your cortisol levels spike and keep you from burning fat. There is a chance you will also need more time than usual to recover. You will be too exhausted to work out daily, which will further hinder you from reaching your goals. 5. Doing only cardio. While engaging in long aerobic exercises will help you lose weight, it is not the only thing you should do to achieve your weight loss goals. Building your muscles should be one of your top priorities. Engaging in strength training exercises will burn fat much more efficiently than cardiovascular exercises. Even better, opt for high-intensity interval training workouts, which enable you to combine the benefits of both weight training and aerobic exercises. 6. Consuming diet-labeled foods. Just because something is labeled diet, it does not mean it is a good idea to eat it while you are on a diet. For example, many diet-labeled foods are filled with artificial sweeteners that will make it more difficult for you to achieve your weight loss goals. According to a study published by Applied Physiology, Nutrition, and Metabolism, artificial sweeteners like aspartame overload the liver and spike glucose levels, and that suppresses your body's ability to burn fat. These common mistakes people make when trying to lose weight are based on seemingly well-founded advice. However, instead of helping you achieve your weight loss goals, they make it more difficult. Worse, you could end up even gaining more weight if you are not careful. So make sure you avoid these mistakes at all costs. Following our study references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.